Hi everybody, I got my Ipsy bag. Let's see what's in here. This is for June 2021. Okay. This is the bag. It's so cute. It says have fun. It's got nice little pictures on it. And as this is Pride Month, it has a rainbow. Okay. The zipper pull is metal this time. It's usually plastic or rubberized, but it's metal, and even the zipper is kind of like rainbow colored. Okay, let's see what's in here. We have the card, and on the card it says gift your friends a free palette. Cool. Each friend that signs up with the link below will receive a Violet Voss Windflower Fun Size palette worth $18, totally free. Pretty awesome, right? Okay, there it is. Okay. And this month's products are valued at $50+. Okay, so first thing, we have the Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion in Capri. It says the lightweight formula is infused with heavy-hitting hydrators like hyaluronic acid and shea butter for skin that feels silky smooth all day long. Okay. And next we have something from Benefit. This is the Professional Super Setter. This is a pore minimizing setting spray. Okay. It says your makeup isn't complete without a few spritzes of this super powered setting spray. The lightweight formula instantly smooths and refreshes your skin, blurs the look of pores, and mattifies excess shine with microfine powders, and locks your look into place for a full 16 hours. Really? Okay, shake the bottle well, hold it 8 inches from your face, and then mist evenly all over. All right, I'm not wearing any setting spray right now, so I'm going to try this. There's the bottle. Shake. I read that with these mattifying setting sprays that may have clay or powder or something in them, you should spray it off to the side first to keep from getting little dots of powder on your face. Okay. Oh, the mist is really nice. Very lightweight. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I barely feel it, but it's good. It's really lightweight. Okay. That's nice. Let's see what else. And then from Context, I have the Nude Balm. It's in the shade All or Nothing. Let's see what this looks like. It has one of these plastic things that you peel off like that. Okay. And there's the balm. Nice natural looking shade. Let's see what it looks like on my skin. Okay. It's very sheer. It pretty much disappears, which is nice for a lip balm. You don't need a lot of color. You can see a little bit of it right there. Okay. Doesn't have much of a smell. And then the next thing is from Mazi or Maisie. I'm not sure how that's pronounced. But this is the Balancing Multi-Effect Facial Cleanser. It uses mild surfactants to remove excess oil, buildup, and impurities, plus omega-rich rose hip seed oil to moisturize and smooth your skin while promoting a healthy barrier. All right. And it has a seal on it, which is good, because I can hang on to it for a while. Okay, and the final thing is from Farrah. This is dual-ended tweezer. Okay, so it has broad slanted tips on one side, great for applying lashes, and pointed tips on the other for super fine, precise plucking. Plus, it's made of surgical grade steel, so it won't easily break or warp over time. All right. Let me take a look at this. Even though I just got 2 pairs of tweezers in my, one of my, what was it? Tried beauty boxes. That's okay. Having another pair is a good thing. If I get these out. I'm not sure if I should just rip the plastic open or if this is a holder. I don't want to just rip it open if I don't have to. There we go. All right, it is like a holder. Okay. Open it up like that. And you can see how it's able to have 2 ends in one pair, because it has the slanted metal in the middle. So that's the pointy end, and that's the slanted end. Okay, neat idea. I like this. Okay, so for the June Ipsy, in this cute little bag, we got the tweezers, the Mazi Fast Zen Facial Cleanser, the Professional Super Setter, Skylar Hydrating Body Lotion, and Context Nude Lip Balm. So that's everything that I got in my June Ipsy bag. Thank you for watching. Bye.